try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next?
What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great weekend. The weather's been amazing lately. Very nice time to ride and get out with your boys. I got a real hilarious topic today that I'm gonna go over. Do you get women when you buy a motorcycle? Does it increase your game? Does it make you a sex symbol? We're gonna talk about that today on this ride, and hopefully it doesn't hurt some of y'all's hearts and egos. Let's get to it.
Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So, this is probably the dumbest debate when it comes to motorcycles that you will have with your friends. Will you get women if you get a motorcycle? Some people will say yeah, some people will say no. But I'm here to tell you today that it's no. You are more likely to get more guy friends than girlfriends when it comes to a motorcycle. And I'll tell you right now, your heart is going to be hurting when you go out, you save up $3,000 to $10,000 depending on the bike that you want, thinking, oh, I'm about to get bad women. My phone is going to be blowing up. I'm going to be giving girls rides left and right. No, stop. I know most people that do this are newer riders. You know, we go into it, we don't know much about it. We just want to look cool. The engine sounds good, it's loud, we think everybody cares. We think girls are going to be breaking their necks, falling and passing out, trying to talk to us at a red light. It's just not going to happen. I'm not saying it'll never happen, but most likely it's not going to happen. I remember I was 17, 18 when I got my first motorcycle. I'm thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to look cool. I had a helmet. I didn't really have any other gear. But at least I had a helmet. I was squidding though. But yeah, I'm thinking, I'm about to look so cool on this bike. I'm about to get all the numbers. I went out on my first ride. Not one person cared. Not one person broke their neck flattering over me. And it kept on happening. I'm like, what is going on? Nobody cares. My ego was hurt. But at the same time, that wasn't the only reason I got a bike for. It was for the thrill. But that was one of the so-called positives I was looking for. And like I said, it just didn't work out. When you get a motorcycle, just make sure it's, you know, to meet people, to make good friendships. You know, there's events, there's meetups, there's all kinds of stuff that, you know, you can look forward to when you get a bike. You can go to the track. If you're a twisty slayer, you can do that. But do it for the thrill and the community and the brotherhood of riding a motorcycle. Don't do it for women. And yeah, like I said, you know, say you go to one of these meetups, you're gonna have way more dudes coming up to you, asking you about your bike, what you have on it, what did you do to it, asking to sit on your bike. It's not gonna be much women that are gonna do that. And if it is, props to you, props to you. But you are not gonna look like that super hunk, that sex guy when you get this bike. And we've all had the friends that see you riding and say, hey, that looks dope, I want to get one. And they want to do it for the women. Stop them. Don't let them do it to themselves. Yeah, it's your friend, but let them know the truth. This is off subject, but man, it's so beautiful back here. I love these back roads. Not many people on them. Only thing you have to really watch about is deer. But yeah, back to subject. And even if you do end up getting a bike for women, you will grow out of it once you realize how fun it is and that you don't care about anybody else when you're on this machine. When you're on a motorcycle, it's just you, the bike, and the road, and freedom. There's nothing like it. And the people that don't ride, they'll never understand. So yeah, guys, that was the topic for today. I hope you guys got a little laugh or snicker out of it. Have a good ass weekend. I'm gonna hit these back roads. Peace.